So this is called a Flats Bugg. It is the little brother of the curl-tail jig. There's a grub on the back and it's tied on the Bonefish Jig Head. And so a gentleman was going on a bone fishing trip, encouraged me to make him a bonefish jig that had a little grub on the back. And so I tied several for him, and doggone it if he didn't go and catch a permit on this jig. And permit are not easy to fool with an artificial, and so I was really encouraged. And then I started sending it to some of my customers in Louisiana and then Texas, and they love it. So anything in salt water will eat this. Redfish, trout, flounder, snook, bonefish, permit, everything eats it. And so you can swim it like you do a curl-tail. You can just bump it along the bottom. Even when it's just sitting there, there'll be some action to the rabbit, and then that grub is attached to where it's up. And so it's up off the ground. You'll get some action out of that. And so that's the Flats Bugg.